Right, so this is chapter 4.6, the last part under partial fraction. Let's go. Yesterday we do a warm-up, so I have all the answers here. The first one to tell us is Matthew. What is the answer for B? Ah. Oh. Now, I strongly believe B, I don't need to go through. Okay? But for C, I will need to go through. There are two things I want to go through. Number one, can you write down? The minus here is a trap. Can you write down? Number two, LCM is compulsory. Now, let me illustrate in this example. Many of you got this as your final answer. But do you know in exam, you don't have full marks for this? Reason, Nigel say you need to mode 3-3 on top. Now, what happens when you mode 3-3? What's the answer? Now lah. Can you mode 3-3 now and tell me the answer? X what? Help. I don't want x equals 9. I want the two bracket. X minus 9. X minus 2. Do you know this is wrong? Now, you need to mode 3-3. You want to mode 3-3, you need to know how to use it. Can I have your attention? Everyone look up. Ready? Yes. Okay. Now, why this is wrong is because x is negative x squared. You try, x times x is a what? Positive. But why your calculator want to cheat your feeling like that? Because the calculator don't care about the brackets. The calculator only care about the x value. Do I make sense? Now, let me tell you the real answer. The real answer is minus x plus 9. X minus 2 equals to 0. What is x? Negative 9. Eh? Wrong. Sorry. It's like that. So it's plus 9. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now, you see, the calculator only tell you x equals to 9. But the calculator never tell you actually it's minus x plus 9. You don't believe me? You do the cross factorization method. You need to attain this. So it is very dangerous. I thought I saw a star was born. Okay. Now, but I haven't finished the story yet. Why do I say LCM? Do you notice that if I do it this way, do you see the x minus 2 can cancel? Then the question is, that means in exam this is 3 marks. If you write this, it's only 2 marks. But do you know, if you do this, it's like this here is itchy and you scratch it this way. How should you scratch it? You say, Now, why do I say that? That's why LCM is very important, and you fail to see it because you always like to multiply each other. Now, let me show you the enlightened path. Now, x minus 2, so everyone will write, x minus 2 squared, x minus 2. Gerald, I don't think that is math. Are you ready? Now, x minus 2 squared, x minus 2. What is the LCM, Gerald? Again, x minus 2 squared, x minus 2. What's the LCM? Wrong. Okay. May I ask you a question? 1/4 minus half. I got two denominator. What is the LCM? Wrong. 4. But you tell me 8. Why 8? This one times 2 times 2 top bottom. This one times 4 times 4 top bottom. You always like to multiply each other, right? You don't care whether is there a smaller number, smaller multiple or not. Now come back to this again. X minus 2 square. X minus 2. What is the LCM? Square. Meaning this one don't touch. This one you just multiply by x minus 2 one time. Now let me show you. That means it will look like this. Do you see? Because I just multiply x minus 2 on top and bottom. Suddenly they are the same. I don't have to go to the extent I go and do until I got cube. I am so dumb. Don't understand? Now, Jiaxuan, look at the screen now, Jiaxuan. Do you agree that if this is 4, this is 2? How to make it the same denominator? Do you agree that I times 2 times 2? It's enough. Enough is what? The denominator is the same. Huh? It's 4 and 4, same what? So, x minus 2, how do I upgrade to x minus 2 square? I just times x minus 2 one time. I just times x minus 2. I just times x minus 2. Do you agree? Do you agree? I don't have to times x minus 2 square to get a cube. You see the red, actually you see the red one here? X minus 2 square times x minus 2 is x minus 2 cube. If I do this on top, there will be a very big thing. I have to mod 3 again to get back the same simple answer. Now, why do I say number 1 is a trap? Can you write this down? Equal. Can I write this down? This. Okay. Qinghui, where is the mistake? Seven minus x minus 2. What's the mistake? Minus 2 is a mistake. It should be plus 2. So you want to use a red pen and ensure there's a bracket. Or you want to shortcut a bit. You want to make sure you have the ability to write that. And finally, my answer is minus x plus 9. This is the final answer. Same as the blue one. However, the blue one is wrong because you go and mod 3. So the top one should be minus x plus 9. So complicated that I don't even want to venture into this. Remember LCM. Remember LCM. So far okay? Yep. Did I confuse you? Okay. Now let me stop the warm up here. And I want you to observe the denominator. Can you answer the one in the box? What do you notice? Can I write A? Okay, let me start by A. Let me start by A. Can you write this? 6 over 3x minus 1. Am I the only one writing? Now, what do you want to write? What do you think is equal to? Do you see this is the answer for A? Can you write down the question for A? Right, question for A. 2 over 3x minus 1 plus 4 over 5 minus 6x. Do you know this is an A-maths question? The ability to write this equal to this is an A-maths technique. This exam is worth 4 marks. Okay, so today we are going to learn this. How do I split from this to this? Now let me try one more question. Can you write down C? Can you write down the answer for C? Let me see whether you are paying attention or not. Can you write down the answer for C? I have two fractions. Can you do a photo hunt now and tell me what do I write in the two fraction? Isabel. First fraction is what? Don't know. 7 x minus 3. Do you say that? No. What do you say? 7 over x minus 2 square minus x minus 2, like that. Is that what you say? Jingfeng? Is that what just Isabel is saying? Everything is correct except for one is wrong. This one, wrong. You are not supposed to do anything. You are supposed to copy the question in part C. This is the answer in part C. You are supposed to copy the question in part C. Very good. Like that, right? My question is how? How? The answer is partial fraction. Now you understand? Yes. So today's lesson, you are going to learn how to actually write this. And the answer is partial fraction. So this is the lesson today. How do I convert from here to here? How many marks? 4 marks. This one, 5 marks. This one, 6 marks. Just like that. But now we're going to learn how. Are you ready? Okay, good. Let's go.